Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Nubia Flip 5G. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN. Then click search. Now select this application and click install. Now you can click open. Then you can click on agree and continue. Now close this ad. Then click allow and now click on consent. Then click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad. And as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.